Every transaction you record will be linked to an account. To create a new account, you can use the master view from the database section or create one from the accounts section, which is what I will demonstrate here. Create a new account using the new button in the top right. Once you click on the button, a page will open showing all the fields. Fill in the name of the account, select a type, and specify the opening balance. By default, the daily use checkbox will be checked, so deselect that if you don't want this account to show up in this short list of frequently used accounts. And that's all you need to do to create a new account. Once you start adding transactions and linking them to this account, the other attributes will automatically update. As a convenience, I've set up different default tabs for cash accounts, debt accounts, and all accounts. You can move these around if you prefer a different order. The statement view is provided to easily reconcile your statements for different accounts. To use that view when you're ready to reconcile an account against a statement, click on the filter icon, select the start and end dates that correspond to your statement, and update the account filters to show all transactions coming from or going into that desired account. From the drop-down, change accounts by removing any selections from your previous session and selecting the one you are reconciling.